What up, you got Mr. Smith, and I got another one for you in the areas of crypto that you might want to put on your radar. This is not financial advice, but I just like to give you some to consider based on certain things, especially if I have a level of faith in it and I feel like it will benefit those who listen to me to any degree to take advantage of. That's what I'm all about. And you got to understand that the real wealth is going to be created in the cryptos that are the most risky per se, but it's really just the ones that have not fully proven themselves. However, they have a good concept, good track record, good leadership, things of that nature. But if you find it on the front end, you stand a higher chance of getting a higher rates of return. And that's really what it's really all about. You making a return on your investment just because you did your due diligence and looked into it. So I'm not even going to go too deep in detail. I'm going to give you the nutshell version of why it interests me and what you can look into to consider whether or not it's something of your interest and how you can go ahead and access it. Also, in addition to that, if you want more cash flow to be able to buy more crypto, click on the link that says cash flow to crypto. I also link it to, towards the end of the video, so you can just tap it, go there, so you can find 5 cash flow streams that you can use to buy more crypto. A lot of times people want to buy more crypto, but they only have a certain amount of money. Most people just have a certain amount of money. That's just the fact of the matter. So it's always a way that you can figure out to create more cash flow. And I'm giving you 5 ways in that cash flow to crypto. And once you click on it, if you decide that it's a good fit for you, then I'll be notified and I'll send you a text message so I can make sure you get plugged in and benefit and maximize your cash flow as much as possible that you can put towards crypto and really multiply your wealth, because crypto is just, performing a lot better than the stocks in this day and age. That's it. Not to say nothing against stocks. I do stock and ETF videos from an educational entertainment standpoint. However, I think crypto is something that's, here to stay. That said, let's talk about what crypto I'm referring to. The crypto I'm referring to, and shame on me, because I meant to do this video over a week ago to kind of introduce you to it, but I didn't. And just yesterday, Crypto.com tweeted and said that they were going to list TrueFi. So TrueFi is the crypto I'm referring to. But Crypto.com went ahead and listed them yesterday. Now, it still hasn't been hit by the Coinbase effect, meaning that it is already on Coinbase. So I'll take that back. So it is on Coinbase, but it's still not widely known. So it still has a lot of potential. However, it's still early, and I want you to know what it is in general, because if you understand crypto and you understand certain things people are doing in crypto, you can see this possibly having a future, as I do. So that being said, let's talk about what TrueFi is. Now, at this time, TrueFi is currently trading at 61 cents. This is the all-time. This is the all-time. So it hit the market in 2020, and as of now, it's trading at 61 cents. Initially, it was in about the teens, 19 cents, 20 cents. So I wasn't on it then, but for those who was, you 3x their money, and you found a good economic floor, or a good floor that you could pretty much solidify the fact that it may not go back to that, but you never know. Crypto is volatile. However, TrueFi, I want you to understand what it is so you can understand the role that it plays if you just find the parallel. A lot of times you just find the parallel to how something is functioning in the real world outside, or the centralized world. Then if it's applicable or something that can benefit the decentralized world, then you can say, you know what, this may be worth investing in. And that's what I feel TrueFi is doing. So what is TrueFi? And basically all I did, just in case you're fairly new, this is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is the hub to go and look up any crypto. You can categorize different things, NFTs, exchanges, portfolios, find out the community that's behind the crypto. It allows you to do a lot of research and due diligence on a coin so you can have an understanding of whether or not this is something you want to consider. There's a ton of things out there, so the best thing you can do for yourself is understand if it's worth your investment. That being said, I just clicked the website, clicked on that link there, and then it brought me here to TrueFi. So meet TrueFi, the DeFi protocol for uncollateralized lending. So what you got to understand is people are lending crypto and getting returns on their investment. So they're actually functioning as a bank by lending their crypto. However, in the DeFi world, you have to, or eventually have to have a way to monitor it. Otherwise, there's going to be some people that get taken advantage of, overcharged. It's going to need some type of protocol that can govern itself, serve as a self-governing system. So with TrueFi, is setting a protocol, a DeFi protocol, decentralized financing protocol for uncollateralized lending. Why is that important? Well, you see right now we got laws such as the Fair Credit Reporting Act. We got bureaus such as Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. We got bureaus that are doing certain things that are multi-million, billion-dollar companies. But what this is doing is in the decentralized world, creating a protocol. So it's functioning similar to some of the things that are already in place. And this is coming from a credit restoration specialist. I restore people's credit, help people better their credit, do it on their behalf, and or show them how to do it themselves. So this interests me because I'm like, okay, this is in a parallel world to what I'm already doing. I'm already communicating and sending letters to the bureaus. In fact, I got to go to the post office shortly and, you know, mail some stuff out, certified, etc., because that's what I do. So I can see the future in this, so I thought that it was worth sharing with you, but more importantly, investing for myself, because I felt like it was something that has a future. Now, you can do your own due diligence. Go to this site right here at the top and click on read how TrueFi works, and it's a long layout of how they operate, and you determine if that's something you're interested in. Look into some of their content, look into some of the leadership, and see if it's something that you think is a good fit for you. I just wanted to put it on your radar so you can do your own due diligence, and then, of course, I'll be doing updates of different things that are happening, but right now it's available at 61 cents. You determine if that's a good price point for you, or if you want it to come down a little bit lower before you decide to move on it, or if you don't want to move on it at all. But the fact of the matter is, I think it's an undervalued crypto in the term of the price point, or the underpriced crypto in the term of the price point and where it could possibly go. Because that's what it's all about, the spread that you believe it can, you know, it can take, or how far you think it can take off. So I think it is underpriced currently. So that being said, I wanted to share it with you because I would love it for people who tune in, who take advantage of something I may share, and you win. You benefit from it. But this is not financial advice by no stretch of the imagination. This is just for educational, entertainment purposes only. And like I stated, if you want access to the cash flow, to crypto, so you can have more cash flow to invest in more crypto, then click that link over there so you can get access to it. That's all I got. Mr. Smith signing out. Let me know if you were already rocking with TrueFi, if you already knew about TrueFi, or whatever the case may be, or if it's brand new to you, or if you think it's a good idea, or if it's slop. Whatever the case may be, it's all good. See you on the next one.